All right, so yesterday we practiced multiplying rational expressions. So if you did really well on yesterday's assignment, today should be pretty easy. Today we're going to be dividing rational expressions. So if you know how to multiply, you should know how to divide. So I'm only going to do one example with you guys today. So say we have 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 over 4x. And I'm dividing that by the fraction x squared minus 9 over 5x squared plus 15x. Well, let's think about back to middle school. When you have a problem like this, 2/3 divided by 5/7. When you first learn how to do problems like this, or when you learn how to divide fractions, you were taught to do 2/3 times the reciprocal of 7/5. And then just multiply straight across and then reduce if you can. That's what we're going to do today too. It's no difference. So we're going to do it the same way. So basically, like I said, if you can multiply, you can divide. Because what you're going to do is you're going to multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So again, what we want to do first before we start all of these problems is factor them. So let's factor my numerator. Let's factor 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. I'm going to do a guess and check on this to factor it. So I'm going to guess factors of 2x squared. So let's go 2x and x. Let's guess factors of 3. So 3 and 1. But it's negative 3, so that means one of these is going to be positive, one's going to be negative. Let's check to see if we can get negative 5 in the middle if I have opposite signs. Well, 1 times x is 1x. 2x times 3 is 6x. We want negative 5, so we want the 6 to be negative and the 1 to be positive. So we're going to make that 3 negative, that positive. So there's how the numerator factors. The denominator is a monomial, so you just leave it alone. And now we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So this is going to go to the top, and this is going to go down to the bottom. So on the bottom, we got x squared minus 9. Well, we know that factors to x plus 3 and x minus 3. And my new numerator is this. So what can we do to factor it out? We can factor out a 5x. So it's going to be 5x times quantity x plus 3. So now we're just going to see if we have any factors we can cancel out. Well, this x here, we'll cancel with this x. This x plus 3, we'll cancel with that x plus 3. This x minus 3, we'll cancel with that x minus 3. Nothing else matches. So our answer in factor form would be 5 times the quantity, 2x plus 1, over just 4. And that's how you divide. So to divide, you do it just like multiplication. You factor everything, but then you multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction.